Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to add art on wall in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the subject. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now import the wall art. So go to File, Place Embedded and import the wall art. And transform it to the wall size. Hit OK. And place it under the subject and change that blend mode to overlay. Reduce the fill to 80%. After that, go to blending options. Move the white underlying slider to the left side and break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK. Now add a layer mask and brush with black to make these sharp edges smooth. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.